Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm well. Thank you very much. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for checking. And your name is Bismarck, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so
Bismarck.
Bismarck, where are you from? And if you can give me an introduction about yourself since we are meeting for the first time.
Sure, sure. I'll be glad to do that. Okay,
Great.
so I'm Bismarck. My name is Bismarck, and I'm from Ghana. I'm a domestic worker, and I'm a student. I'm a student
Okay.
pursuing bachelor's in public health. Yeah,
Bachelor's in
public health. Public health.
public health. Oh, that's a nice field to choose actually. So very nice. And what made you choose this field?
Well, my passion for serving humanity chooses, inspires me to do that, to choose
Oh,
this.
okay.
Yeah, I've always wanted to become. When I was young, I wanted to be a doctor, but then I didn't get the opportunity to become a doctor, and so I decided to opt for this one, since this one is also equivalent. Yeah, so yeah.
Yes, yes. That's good actually. That's good to know. And you have a course to follow. So that's very nice. And at the same time, I would like to introduce myself as well. I'm Ankita and I'm from Mumbai, India. And I'm a tutor, part-time tutor with Clapingo.
Oh, okay. So you are tweeting part time. Okay.
But this is my part-time job, but full-time, I'm a professional trainer. That's for personal development and image consultancy. So I have my own business.
Okay. Okay. That's wonderful. And I also learned you have been a cabin crew before.
Yes, yes. I have been a cabin crew before. That's with Singapore Airlines.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Yes, yes.
I'm pleased to meet you, ma'am.
Same here, same here. So, Bismarck, I would like to ask you that have you ever visited to India?
Visit? No, I have not. I've never visited India. I've not been to India before, but it's in my list. Like planning to do that in the future. Yes.
Okay, so that's your wish list. You have your
Yes.
bucket list. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So, what is the like the priority in your bucket list that I have to achieve this?
Okay, yeah. Priorities on my bucket list. Okay. So, my short-term goals right now is the one I'm doing right now. I'm taking a course, this spoken English course, Clapingo,
Yes.
to improve my confidence in English, spoken English, and also to build my, uh, my communication skills and
Right.
things like that. Yeah, so that is for my current short-term goal. For my long-term goals, the biggest one among them is to leave a legacy in this world, to make a positive impact in the life of people and society in general. Aside from that, I would also like to explore the world and learn about new cultures and how they function and all that. Yeah, and also make a beautiful family and yeah, yeah,
Lovely. That's such a
yes,
good thought to have, and specifically with the way you said that you want to leave a positive impact on people and the humanity. That shows that what kind of person you are. So, I would really say that all the good wishes to you for achieving those goals, and I'm sure that people like you will definitely bring the change.
thank you so much. Thank you. I
Yes,
really
yes.
appreciate that. I appreciate that.
Great, great. So, Bismarck, have you gone through the notes today, the session notes?
Oh yes, yes, I've gone through it. Yes.
Okay, great. So it talks about what would you do in this situation. Okay. So before
Okay.
I
Okay.
ask you the question, I would also say there are idioms there. There are two idioms that is fit as fiddle and under the weather. So if you're not
Okay.
feeling well, you can always say that I'm under the weather. I'm feeling unwell. Okay.
Okay.
And fit as
Okay.
fiddle is physically fit and healthy. So I am
Yes.
fit
Okay.
as fiddle. Okay.
Okay.
And there is the next topic that is extemporary topic. I will be giving you two topics. You have to select one of it and speak
Okay.
for one of the topic for 2 minutes.
Okay, all right. All right, yeah. So earlier this morning, when I got up, I was was feeling under the weather. You know, I had migraine. Yeah, when I got up, I had a migraine, and then after performing my yoga postures and all that, and breathing exercises and things like.
So once you start bringing into practice, that really helps, because then it stays back with you. Whatever you are learning, it stays back. So that's very important. Now I'm going to the topic. That's two topics. The first one is ways to get up in the morning. That's your first topic. The second one is poor health begins in the mind.
Okay.
Okay. So which one would you choose and speak about
it? Okay. Let me speak about all.
Both, or
let me start.
No, anything you want. If you want to say about both, I'm all open. My ears are all open for you. Or else, if you want to say one topic, that's also fine.
Okay. Yeah. So ways to wake up in the morning. These things, I think, it depends on how you train yourself. When you go to bed in the morning, when you go to bed at night, you go to bed early, you go to sleep early. Yeah, you wake up early the next day. But if you sleep late in the previous day, the next morning you are likely not to wake up early. Yeah, and the other option is also to set an alarm. Yeah, you set an alarm for yourself, like an alarm that wakes you up early in the morning. Yeah,
yes.
But for me, I don't have an alarm, because I have trained myself in that regard. Like, when at exactly 4 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up at 3. I wake up at 3. At times, yes. Yeah, I do sleep early, so sometimes when I get up at 3, I don't sleep again. Then I start doing, if I have some studies, then I start studying, or if I have some rituals like prayers and things like that, then I will do prayers. And once it's 4:30 that way, if I have some yogic exercise, or I have to go for brisk walking, or go and run a little, then I take care of all that before beginning my daily routine, the major daily routines. Yeah. So now coming to the next question.
Just before you start again, I'm so sorry. Just to, I'm interrupting you. Just before you start, there's a word you're using that's called early. 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 Okay.
Early.
So it doesn't have to come early. I know that you are taking out the pronunciation according to the phonics, but it's early.
Early. Okay. Early. Okay. Early. Thank you. Thanks for correcting.
And then one more question I'd like to ask you is, what time do you go to bed to sleep?
Okay, yeah, mostly 9. 9:10. Yeah, so between 9 and 10 p.m.
Yes. Okay, great. And how much time do you spend on social media?
Social media. Wow. Lately, I don't spend much time on social media because of studies and so many other things happening around me. Yeah, because as a person, if you are young, if you are younger, you tend to do things like, because you don't know so much. But once you start growing, responsibilities start building up, and you need to act maturely. Yeah. So I do social media though, but I don't do it too much. Yes.
You don't do it.
I make sure I limit the usage.
Okay, that's great to know.